Hey guys, this is Frugalnista about to do a room tour for Mirabella, but I forgot I had not shown you guys what we actually did to this chair. How many of y'all remember my video where I showed you this $659? Can y'all believe that? Well, I was about to do her room tour and said, I need to back it up, all the way up, because I have not shown y'all what I did with that chair. That chair right there, my Frankenstein chair. Y'all, I pulled this bad boy out of the trash, hid it in some bushes. It was a whole thing with this chair, and I'm so glad I did. Originally, I was going to put it downstairs because it's a gorgeous, beautiful wingback chair. There it is. Yeah, that's the before. Yeah, there's the chair with all of the Frankenstein slashes throughout the chair. It got hit with green paint. Well, let me show y'all what the chair looks like today in my daughter's Mirabella's room. I absolutely love the way this turned out, and I'm actually so glad I decided to put it in Mirabella's room. But this chair literally it fits perfectly in this little corner. I'll show you that part because I don't want to show her room yet until the tour is finished, but it fits perfectly in this space. Now let me show you what I did in order to cover up all of those Frankenstein slashes. Well, let's start with the first thing. The first thing I decided to do was I grabbed some spray paint, took it outside a couple of weeks ago, and thought I was going to spray paint the actual wooden frame. It's a very sturdy chair, guys. Heavy, heavy, heavy chair. But instead of using the spray paint, one of the reasons spray paint was getting all over the place, it was just too messy. So I had some Martha Stewart paint that I probably had, y'all, easily 15 years. And I just used it to highlight. But I just touched up the wood. Mirabella wanted no parts of gold, so, you know, I used that in order to get rid of the green paint that the store had used, but also to just highlight the wood. As for my Frankenstein slashes, as you can see, I actually picked up these pieces from Dollar Tree. Guys, let me see, can I find one for you? I had one left. This is actually a keychain that I picked up from Dollar Tree. As you can see, it's actually a little flower poof. I got it more so for the color, but I'm so glad that I picked it up because it's actually not one poof flower. It's actually two poof flowers. And I was able to use this to design something to cover up the slashes. Now, I know I could have easily had this chair reupholstered, but that would have defeated the purpose of me being the frugal person that I am. I want it to be the most inexpensive way for me to make good use of this chair without me going through a lot of headache of trying to actually reupholster this beautiful gray. This color, as you can see, matches her room perfectly. And we had two designs. We had originally her initial, and she decided to change that to this beautiful cascade. And because the fix that I use with these, it's not a permanent fix yet, she's still toying with the idea of having her monogram M in this beautiful poof flower, or having just the flowers cascading down the back of the chair. Okay? So yeah, all those Frankenstein slashes are gone from the back of the chair. And if we look over here, I'll move these little props. And another easy fix for the slashes in the seat of the chair, we decided to use this gorgeous shag rug to hide the slashes for the seat. And guys, the shag rug is so comfy. Shag chairs are so expensive. I started to shag the entire chair, but I actually like the look of the shag only being in the seat of the chair. Playing with all those different textures, that gray tweed material, playing with the beautiful silk poof flowers. All of this furry shag makes this a welcome addition to Mirabella's room. And tell me which one you like best. Do you like the monogram M made out of the beautiful poofs? Or are you more of a fan of the cascading flowers? Now, because we are using little glue dots, this isn't permanent yet. I won't make the decision until she makes the decision, but we both are curious to know, which one do you like? The monogram M or the cascading flowers? And that's how we changed our Frankenstein chair to a fabulous chair. All for free. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It's Mirabella's first dance. Shoulders up. Go this way. You smile. Shoulders up. Oh, perfect. Oh, look how cute. Love it, love it, love it. Mwah.